just noticed a shot of my friend had here of Purdy's, the chocolatier. Purdy's and Laura Secord, and I think Lady Godiva too, they all sell chocolate and they all sell ice cream. Let me think now. Have you heard of McDonald's and McFlurry's? Have you heard of Dairy Queen and Blizzards? Well, what if you went to these chocolate places here would sell ice cream and chocolate? If they took their ice cream and chocolate and they put it in a blender, then they could have their own version of McFlurry's or Blizzards. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science, I call it. It's very simple. What do you think? It's for free, guys. You can have it.